welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing and then a demo for you of this portable tire inflator. Why am I excited about this? Well, it's not just portable in that it's small, it's portable in that it's rechargeable. Once it's charged up, you don't have to have this attached to a cord, but you can use it to pump up your tires on your car or a bicycle or a ball or anything. You see that nice thing on there to keep it nice and safe. Look at that. Look how small that is. It's about the size of an Apple TV box, ironically. But it's got a nice, beautiful, shiny finish on the top. You've got your buttons up here. You've got your, looks like power button, as well as maybe that's the power. I don't know. I have to read the manual to figure out how to use it. You got your port here. It has a flashlight on there. I know that you can use this to charge a device if you want to, as well. So it works as a power brick to charge a device if you needed that in an emergency. But really what it's made for is for pumping up tires, and it will inflate car tires. It is powerful enough to do that, but look how small it is. And that's why I got this, because we have a car that been having some issues with the tire, and we weren't sure if it was a slow leak or whatever, but every now and again we'd be off somewhere and we would need to pump up the tire. And it has a tire inflator that came with the car, but you have to get it out, you have to plug it into the cigarette lighter charger thingy, and then drag the cord all the way around out the door. It's a pain. And with this, you don't have to do that, because once you charge this up, it just operates just like this, wireless, completely wireless. I love it. And that's why I got this. So anyway, we'll demo it in a minute, but this is the device itself. Obviously, that's where your little thing hooks up. And it will read tire pressure as well, so it'll tell you your tire pressure when you're blowing it, when you're inflating your tires, or just to read the pressure if you just want to check your tires. It will do that as well. So obviously this goes into there, and then it has this nice little carrying case to keep it in your car when you're not using it, and then the cord to charge it. I'm going to assume that it charges through the Type-C, and then if you want to charge a separate device, you probably charge out through the USB-A. And then it also has all these different tips, because you can use it to pump up a ball or a bicycle tire, pretty much anything. So it has all the different tips that you would need in order to do that. You can keep those in that pouch. But the main reason I got it is because it is powerful enough to pump up car tires. And to me, that's what sets it apart and makes it really, really cool. So anyway, that's it for the unboxing. That's what you get in the box. Let's jump over to my review and see it in action. So first thing I'm going to do is power this on. I'm going to long press that power button. And you can see the display there shows 0.0. Now I can see this display fine. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up with the reflections and stuff. In bright sunlight, it's a little bit hard to see, but you can see it. It's a little difficult, but for the human eye, it's detectable. You can also see the battery indicator. I'm going to screw this onto my tire valve. As soon as it screws on there, you can see it reads 34.0. So I know the pressure right now is 34.0. And then you have these different modes you can put this in. Right now it's in car mode, and you can move to different modes, but custom mode is the last one, and that would allow you to just add an air to the pressure you want. But I'm going to put it in car mode, and in car mode it's 34. I tell it what I want it to be. I want it to be 35. So I'm going to go to 35, and then I hit the button. When it gets to the 35, it stops. So now I know the pressure of the tire is 35. And that's how it works.
So you saw everything that comes in the box with this. You saw it in action. I love this device. I think it's super, super cool.
I just love the fact that it's so small and compact, and yet you can use it to blow up your tires. Great to just keep in your car, a lot less bulky than a lot of those other things. You don't have to worry about plugging a cord into like the cigarette lighter power thing and then trying to run it through your door. It's just portable, it's just easy. And you have all those different modes. You can go through like car tire mode, motorcycle tire, bicycle tire, or toy / basketball ball mode, as well as custom mode. You can tell it exactly what you want the pressure to be, and it just goes until that pressure. You also got your different types of pressure readings. You can change that to what you want to do. If you want to change that, you just long press that mode button until it starts flashing, the PSI starts flashing, and then you click to go to the different ones, which is really simple. And yeah, just it's like full featured. As a bonus, you got a nice little light built into it in case you need it. Also can be an SOS. And then also it serves as an emergency backup power supply for your phone. So if you happen to be out somewhere and you blow a tire, well, this isn't going to help you blow that tire back up. But if your battery was low on your phone and you needed power, you could plug it into that USB port there and power your phone. So just a really great product. The fact that it's so powerful and does so much in this tiny little package is great. Only thing I do wish it had a longer cord, but because this unscrews, you can buy a longer third-party cord on Amazon or somewhere and screw that in there and use that, and that'll work fine as long as it is the right size and fits in there. You don't have to use the one that came with it. You just have to have obviously a good quality one that fits in, and so you can replace that. But this still works. You just have to hold it close to whatever you're blowing up if you're using this cord, because it's not that long. But excellent product. I love it. I think it's great. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.